What's happening? Something's come up. Let's have a butcher's. We all get it. The shower head gets deposits of Limescale. These white deposits that you can see. So I've been using LimeLite, which is a really good product. You spray it on, leave it on, and then just wipe it off or wash it down. But there are some resistant points. So I'm gonna let's wash that off. You're supposed to give it a few minutes, but I've already applied it. So let's just wash that off now. There you go. And I've still got some resistant areas which are really, so I'm going to use a screwdriver and just gently scrape those off. I've been doing it with the other exit points for the water, but I'm just doing these few to show you that you can scrape and get quite a lot of these white deposits off. You see those coming off? Yeah? And it's pretty good now. There's a few here. And then you can wash it down, spray it with a bit of disinfectant and just wash it down, and that should be it really. There we go, getting yours. Always get the dirty jobs. But that's why I'm Mr. Messed Up. There we go. Well, I hope you found that helpful. Cheers.